Hi guys, Ian here from Southside Car Rentals at alam nyo ba na pwede na kayo mag-travel in style, tipid sa gas at syempre super comfortable, all in one ride. Now ito na yun guys, let me introduce you the 2024 Suzuki XL7 Hybrid. Now available for rent here at Southside Car Rentals.
This 7-seater crossover gives you the best of both worlds. With its hybrid technology, you get the fuel efficiency of a compact car. Pero may hatak pa rin na parang isang SUV. So, kung mahilig ka sa road trips, you'll spend less time worrying about gas expenses and more time enjoying the drive. Pagpasok mo sa loob, you'll immediately notice how modern and functional the cabin is. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Kaya instant connect ka sa music, navigation, or even hands-free calls. Tapos maluwag ang seating plus adjustable seats for both driver and passengers. Kaya kahit puno ng gamit sa likod, komportable pa rin ang lahat. One thing I like about the XL7 Hybrid is the higher ground clearance. Hindi mo na kailangan kabahan sa lubak-lubak or steep provincial roads. Smooth pa rin ang takbo kahit may konting off-road. Kaya kung plano nyo pumunta ng Baguio, Tagaytay, or even long provincial drive, this car is more than ready. Of course, safety is a top priority. The XL7 Hybrid comes equipped with ABS, EBD, multiple airbags, rear parking sensors, at rear view camera. These features make every drive safer, whether you're in the city or highway. Kaya peace of mind talaga ang kasama sa rental. So, if you're looking for a car that's spacious, fuel efficient, reliable, and perfect for family or barkada trips, the 2024 Suzuki XL7 Hybrid is the one for you. Available now here at Southside Car Rentals. Book your car today by messaging us on Facebook or calling 0995 106 5404. See you on the road!